Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need power and an administrator sign-in to avoid interruptions. Once ready, open the Start menu and click Power. Hold down Shift and select Restart. That combination forces Windows to reboot into WinRe rather than a normal restart, which is why we use it. You get the recovery options you need without external tools. Make sure programs are closed first so the restart proceeds cleanly. This step gets you out of the running OS and into the recovery tools. Once in WinRe, select Troubleshoot to access repair tools, then go to Advanced Options. This is where specific fixes live. Use Startup Settings if you need safe mode. Choose option 4 or 5 to boot minimal drivers or networking. That helps isolate driver or software issues. Alternatively, use Startup Repair to fix boot problems automatically, System Restore to roll back recent changes, or Command Prompt for manual fixes. Each option targets different causes, so pick the one matching your symptom. After applying a repair or booting safe mode, restart and test Windows to confirm the issue is resolved. If problems persist, use Reset this PC to reinstall Windows while keeping or removing files, depending on what you choose. If you can't reach WinRe with Shift plus Restart, force 3 consecutive boot interruptions, power off during startup, to trigger recovery, or boot from Windows 10 installation media, and select Repair your computer. That fallback ensures you can still access recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.